Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can mute a video in Capcut. Now, if I play this video on my Capcut screen, that's a video which I recorded not long ago. But how do I mute this video? Let's say I don't want this video to have any sound. I just want it to just be actions. What do? First thing I will do is to click on the video on the timeline. I'm assuming you've already brought it here. I'm sure you have basic ideas about Capcut. Then come to audio on the top right, click on audio, and then you want to drag this volume to the left until you see minus infinity dB. Now, if I play this video, you see it doesn't have any sound. Now, if I restore it back to its original sound, this is where it was, you can hear the sound. So that is how you mute a video in Capcut. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video for more YouTube and other tips.